Do you struggle with digestive discomfort? Can't figure out why you feel bloated or gassy? Many people struggle with digestive issues, including myself, and I'm here to tell you that you are not alone and that there are options. Digestive issues can be uncomfortable and at times even embarrassing. But with these simple tips, you'll be feeling great in no time. Hi, I'm Jessica Garthy, an essential oil educator and simple solutions enthusiast. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified each time I add a new video. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 ways to improve digestion. Digestion is the process of using the nutrients found in food to give your body energy, to help it grow, and to perform vital functions. Healthy function of the digestive system can be influenced by lifestyle, environmental factors, and inherited factors. Be sure to stick around to the end and I will share with you some of my favorite essential oil recipe blends that help support the body naturally. Before I get into my 5 digestive health tips, I want to remind you that sometimes our digestive issues are related to our emotions. Have you ever had anxious feelings as you've approached a big exam or when you're trying something for the very first time? Oftentimes we feel those feelings in our gut. The gut is often called our second brain. It's where we feel some of our strongest emotions. In this video, I'm not going to talk about the types of digestive discomforts that are associated with emotions. So if you think your digestive issues are more related to the stress that you're experiencing, then I suggest that you work on reducing the stress that you experience in your life. Let's get into the ways that you can support healthy function of your digestive system naturally. Tip number 1, pre and probiotics. Probiotics are often called good or helpful bacteria because they help your gut to be healthy. They can help to balance out the good and the bad bacteria that is in your digestive system to help your body work the way that it should be. Tip number 2, digestive enzymes. Have you ever heard of these? I had not heard about these up until about 5 years ago. They don't seem to be as commonly known as they really should be. So your body uses what are called digestive enzymes to help digest your food, to get the nutrients and to metabolize the nutrients into energy. You can support your body's constant production of these enzymes by eating plenty of raw whole foods. You can also offer it extra support by taking digestive enzymes. My favorite digestive enzymes are doTERRA's enzyme. They contain a blend of active whole food enzymes supporting cofactors that are often deficient in cooked, processed, and preservative-laden food. A balanced diet consisting of whole, unprocessed foods should be adequate to meet our food enzyme needs, but that is not always practical. Using a whole food supplement of food enzymes is a convenient way to guarantee that we have the enzymes that are necessary for proper digestion and to utilize the nutrients that we are consuming. Okay, let's get into tip number 3. Tip number 3 is to stay hydrated. I know this sounds so simple and people are like, yeah, drink water. But water actually helps to break down the food that you eat, which it allows the nutrients to be absorbed by your body. After you drink, both your small and your large intestine absorbs the water, which moves into your bloodstream and is also used to break down the nutrients. Though water isn't technically digested, it's a crucial element for digestion, especially when you're digesting protein. Water should always be consumed with meals so that your body can properly digest and absorb the nutrients from the food. Properly filtered water is ideal because it does not contain harmful chemicals and the contaminants that can upset the digestive process. Tip number 4, limiting processed foods and refined sugars. Sugar is an inflammatory food, which means it causes inflammation in the body. Many of our digestive issues are related to inflammation in the gut. So when we reduce the amount of inflammatory foods we consume, then we have less inflammation, which means less discomfort. If you minimize added sugar and fill up on nutrient-rich foods instead, then balance is established, which leads to better digestion and feeling better overall. Tip number 5, move your body every day. I cannot stress enough how important physical activity is. Physical activity increases your blood flow to the muscles in the digestive system, which massage our food along the digestive tract, a process known as peristalsis, causing them to work more quickly and effectively. Research also suggests that exercise affects the balance of bacteria in the gut. Did you know that? By exercising, you are helping your gut to balance the bacteria that is there, which we all know we do need good bacteria in order for our gut to be happy. As you can see, there are several things that you can do to support your body's digestive system. Pre and probiotics, digestive enzymes, water, limiting sugar and processed foods, and exercise. If you still need extra support, I highly recommend you try essential oils. I have found great comfort when using peppermint, fennel, and ginger essential oil, along with my favorite digestive blends, Digestion and Tamer. You're probably wondering, how would you use essential oils for digestive support? Well, when using pure tested grade essential oils like doTERRA, you can use them both topically and internally. And really, everybody's body is so different. You may find that topical works better for you, or maybe internal gives you more support. I've learned for myself that applying the essential oils topically to my stomach gives me the most comfort and the most relief. Have you ever tried any of these tips? If so, I'd love to hear in the comments below which tips have helped you the most. Or if you have any questions about any of the tips that I shared or about using essential oils, just let me know in the comments below. As promised, I'm going to give you my favorite essential oil recipe guide. Just below this video in the description box, there's a link to download my favorite essential oil guide. Click on that link and start using those amazing blends to support your body in a natural way.